What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Rather Do by Yxngxr1. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double backflip kick your face into your mouth hole. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 3 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be a D major 7. You're going to bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Your ring finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the D. Your middle finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the G. And your pinky finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the B. Next up is an A major bar chord. Bar the entire 5th fret now with your index finger. Ring finger on the 7th fret of the A. Pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D. Middle finger on the 6th fret of the G. And then we need a B bar chord. Slide that down to 7, 9, 9, 6, or 8. It's the same formation here, you're just sliding it down 2 frets. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. Starting on your D major 7, it's going to be down, up, 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 down, up. And what I'm doing is I'm muting in between those up strums just by putting my hand on the strings. Down, up, 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 down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram and all my other socials is @BillySchultzMusic. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.